guys, welcome back to my channel and to my spring cleaning kitchen series. Today we are going to deep clean the microwave. Before I begin, I just kind of wanted to show you guys, sometimes you ask like what I'm wearing, that kind of thing. So this is what I'm wearing to run errands today. It's kind of hard to get the whole outfit in the picture, but I'm just going to try to do the best that I can do. Let's see. Okay, so today I have on an American Eagle pinstriped shirt, and the shoulders you can wear them down, or you could wear like one side up, one side down, and then it has these cute little ties. And I am wearing Lily Pulitzer Resort pants. They're very comfortable. I like that they're kind of fitted and then they flow. I have on red wedges from a store called Charming Charlie's. And I have faux pearls on from Ann Taylor. And then to complete my look before I go out, I have a red Kate Spade purse. And I have a denim jacket that I can just throw on to stay warm. So this is my look for today. When it was time to deep clean my microwave, I did some research on Pinterest. I like to use natural products. I really don't know who to give credit to because this popped up 1,000 times on my Pinterest, and there were about 1,000 variations of this. But basically, all you need to clean your microwave is a microwave-safe dish, some white distilled vinegar, and a tablespoon. And all that you're going to do is you're going to fill your microwave bowl. I used a Pyrex dish. Whatever you want to do, you're going to fill it with 1 cup of water. And then you're just going to add to that 1 tablespoon of the white distilled vinegar. You're going to pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Some sites that I found said 3.5 minutes. Some said to add essential oils. I will tell you that the smell was horrible. After about 4 minutes, my entire kitchen just reeked of like burning vinegar. So you probably want to open up the windows, and maybe using some essential oil is the way to go. I just had never tried that in the microwave before. But basically after the 5 minutes, when you open the microwave up, it's very steamy, and all you need is a cloth to wipe it down. And then I cleaned the outside of the microwave with 7th generation glass cleaner, just so it would be nice and shiny. I placed my vinegar and water into the center of my microwave and closed the door. Sorry you guys can see my face. And then I set the timer for 5 minutes and I let the vinegar do the work. After 5 minutes, I took the cleaning solution out, and the look on my face might kind of say how it smells. The smell was really bad, like an Easter egg party gone wrong. And then all I had to do was just take a cloth and wipe things down, and I was very pleased with how easily all the residue in the microwave came up. So other than the smell, it worked so well, and I was so pleased with the end result. To clean the outside of my microwave, I used 7th generation glass cleaner. My goal was to clean it as well as I could to make my microwave look like new again. I also took some multi-surface cleaner and I just cleaned in between the vents in the microwave, and you can probably see that time has lapsed here, but I had to get away from the smell for a while, so I took like a 20-minute break. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am getting so close to reaching 100 subscribers, and I can't wait to do a 100 subscriber giveaway. And thank you guys so much. You will never know how much your kind words and your motivation has helped me to continue. And just remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one.